Hey, what's up guys? Artist Dirty Donny Gillies here. Today's episode, leopard print hair. Jenny and I are going over to our neighbor Mandy's and we're going to give her a leopard print hairdo. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when my shows come up.
I know that, dude.
Donny TV.
Dirty Donny TV. I'm here with Jenny and our friend Mandy. We're going to do DIY leopard print hair today.
What up?
What up? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Right on. We're ready to go. So we're going to do a number 4. I believe this is a number 4. Be sure to read the instructions on the boxes for the bleach and the hair dyes. They will also let you know how long you should leave it in for. Actually, this is stage 2. We're going to bleach her hair. First stage was crop, so we're going to get ready to bleach it. There is a link below with everything you're going to need for this whole project. So what I'm doing here is little horseshoes. Now I spaced them out, and once I'm all finished with the horseshoes, you're able to put in little black dots, and that kind of brings it all together. Okay, so now it's time to do the color. So when you're applying your color, you want to leave the insides of the horseshoes blank because we want those to pop out. We want them to be as blonde as possible. Okay, so everything's done, but we are going to touch up the dots in the middle of the horseshoes. We want to make those pop as much as possible, so we've mixed some more bleach. So it's the last final touch to make it pop. You don't gotta do it, but I want to do it because I want this to be like incredible. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna do it.
DirtyDonny.com.
We don't sell guitars. We got posters at DirtyDonny.com.
Excuse me, do you have any posters? Yeah, we got posters.
Yeah, we got sticker packs right here, right here.
Excuse me, do you have any posters? Yeah, we got posters.
So come on down to DirtyDonny.com. We got the poster shop, we got the t-shirt shop, t-shirts, posters, we got stickers, sticker packs, all kinds of stuff.
Go to both shops.
We're located in the internet sky.
Internet? You mean for the computers?
On the World Wide Web.
Don't forget to subscribe to Donny TV.